Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about in which I teach you different short skills on the basis of which you can sell these services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn good amount of money within some steps. Like these are the really easy skills. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can design worksheets and sell this skill on Fiverr. So first of all, we will go to Fiverr and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I write here worksheet. So kids worksheet, and there are only 775 results available. That's great. And as you can see, people got different orders. So I will open this gig and let's analyze. So she charged $30 of 5 pages in PDF and AI file, $90 for 15 pages, premium for $150 25 pages. So this is the way we check that this skill has in demand. So we are working on it. So let's design. So I'm choosing Canva to design the worksheets because it is very easy and handy to use, and it we can create a worksheet in some minutes. But if I use like Photoshop or Illustrator, then it will take a lot of time. So let's check, and here I write maths. Yeah, so there are different worksheets available here, and you can add pages and add these worksheets here and make a bundle of 5 to 10 worksheets, and then you can easily sell these worksheets. So in this way you can easily create a bundle of worksheet and sell this on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So you can also change like font or like the color, so it's on your own choice. So that's it for today. uh, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.